Good day to you, students. Today we'll be learning about another important topic in English grammar. When we speak to someone or write sentences, we often use words like a, an, and the. But do you know what these words are and how they must be used while making sentences? Let's learn about these words in this chapter. The words a, an, and the are called articles. There are three main articles as you can see on the board. The articles a and an are called indefinite articles. The article the, however, is called the definite article. Students, let's first learn all about the two indefinite articles a and an. First, we will learn about the usage of these indefinite articles. Let's start with a. The article a is usually used before words beginning with a consonant letter and a consonant sound. All alphabets except the vowels are consonants. The vowels a, e, I, o, and u are not included in the list of consonants. Let's consider a few examples. A bat, a pencil, a bracelet, a jug, a goat, a fish, a king, a school. Students, all these words begin with consonant letters and sounds, and that's why we use the article a before them. In some cases, like the vowel u, carries its own sound, but this sound is not a vowel sound. And therefore, in case of words starting with the letter U, the article a is used. Words like uniform, university, unicorn, unit, useful, object all begin with the vowel U. However, the article a is used before each of these words. The article a is also used before words beginning with the letter O, since this alphabet carries the consonant sound of W and not the vowel sound of the letter O. In words like 1 rupee coin, one-sided story, one-eyed man, article a is used. Let's now have a look at the usage of the other indefinite article, an. For the words that begin with vowels, that is, the letters a, e, I, O, and U, you would use an. Ant begins with a, so you would say an ant. Eagle begins with e, so you would say an eagle. Ice cream begins with I, so you would say an ice cream. Owl begins with o, so you would say an owl. Umbrella begins with u, so you would say an umbrella. Here the sound of the vowels is perfectly heard and therefore the indefinite article an is used. However, there are some exceptions to the usage of this article. The main exception in this category is words beginning with the consonant letter H. Some words that begin with H, like home, hug, handlebar, these would all use the article a before them. Listen: a home, a hug, and a handlebar. There are, however, some words in English that begin with the consonant letter H but do not carry the sound of the letter. When words like honest, are, or ire are spoken aloud, the H remains silent. Such words are accompanied by the indefinite article an. In these cases, you would say an honest man, an are, and an heir to the throne. Even when you write these words, you have to use the article you would use when you speak. Let's discuss some other uses of the indefinite articles a and an. Words like boy student, crown, pen, egg, elephant, umbrella, apple are single countable nouns or singular nouns. A and an are used before a single countable noun. This would again depend on whether the word begins with a vowel sound or a consonant sound. Hence, the given examples can be written as a boy, a student, a crown, a pen, an egg, an elephant, an umbrella, an apple. The indefinite articles a and an are not used before plural nouns. Words like girls, cakes, fishes, tomatoes, electric bulbs are all plural nouns. We should not use the indefinite articles before such nouns. Students, there are some nouns that cannot be counted. These are called uncountable nouns. Words like milk, salt, sand, wood, glass are called uncountable nouns. When these words are used in sentences, there is no need to insert an article before such nouns. For example, I bought some milk today. Please pass me the salt. He chopped wood with his axe. She lived in a house made of glass. Students, you will notice that articles a or an have not been used before these nouns. The is the only definite article. It is used to refer to nouns that are specific. This means that if both you and the person who is either reading or listening to your words know what you are referring to, or if what you are describing is common knowledge, then you must use the definite article. It is used to refer to names of specific countries, deserts, and islands. Let's read the examples given on the board. The United States of America is the third largest country in the world. The largest sea turtles in the world nest in the Andaman Islands. The Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world. Students, you will notice that the definite article the has been used while referring to names of countries like the USA, names of islands and deserts like the Andaman Islands and the Sahara Desert, respectively. We also use the when referring to the names of specific geographical features like rivers, oceans, mountain ranges, etc. For example, the Yamuna, the Indian Ocean, the Himalayas, the Deccan Plateau, etc. Names of organizations, newspapers, and well-known books also use the definite article. For example, the World Health Organization, the Times of India, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, and so on. Sometimes, we may want to refer to the very specific thing or object that has been spoken about before. On the screen, you can see two friends reading books together, and one of them tells the other, I love the Harry Potter novels. The books are written by J.K. Rowling. Here, the girl is talking about the novels she read and refers to the same books, while she tells her friend that they have been written by J.K. Rowling. Hence, the article the has been used before the common noun books in the second sentence. Similarly, the definite article is also to refer to or point at a particular thing or object. In sentences like, please bring the box here. Deliver the parcel next door. The present was so lovely. The definite article the has been used to point at a specific box, parcel, or present. Students, we have now looked at how the definite article can be used in sentences. But we also need to learn about where the article the should not be used. Firstly, the article must not be used before certain proper nouns. We know proper nouns are names given to people, places, and objects. The definite articles should not be used before these nouns. We never say, the Mumbai is the financial capital of India, but Mumbai is the financial capital of India. Mumbai is a proper noun and therefore article the cannot be used before it. We all use uncountable nouns like water, sand, salt, lunch, etc. while conversing with other people or writing sentences. We have also discussed the articles a and an cannot be used before such substances or meals. Similarly, the article the should not be used before such nouns. Students, we use plural nouns like girls, students, plants, trees, etc. We should not use the article the before such non-specific plural nouns. Similarly, the article the should not be used while referring to the general category of things, where common nouns are used. For example, it is incorrect to say that the dogs are faithful animals. Dogs is the common noun and we are referring to the entire category of dogs in general, and therefore we just say dogs are faithful animals. Human beings have loads of qualities like beauty, sincerity, honesty, etc. These are nouns which cannot be touched or felt, and these are called abstract nouns. Articles like the cannot be used before such abstract nouns. For example, the music calms the mind is an incorrect sentence since the article the cannot be used before music, which is an abstract noun. The correct sentence would be music calms the mind. Students, we have learned when and how to use indefinite articles such as a and an and the definite article the. We have also learned when such articles should not be used. You can now solve the exercises related to this topic in your respective books.